guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am starting a new series for the last 12 days of the year. It is going to be called 12 Days of Hair, and we're going to be talking about everything we need to be doing to grow beautiful hair in 2026. So I just did a big chop. I cut 8 inches off of my hair, and there was 2 reasons why. I wanted like a new look for my birthday, which is in 4 days. Reason number 2 is in 2026, I want to grow the world's most healthy hair, and I still had like a little bit of, my ends were iffy. They were still that old hair that I used to straighten, and now my hair is 100% virgin hair. I think my hair was virgin before, but it was hair that I used to put heat on. Does that make sense? Like, I have now officially gotten rid of all the hair that I used to straighten. My hair is all hair that has not been heat damaged. So here's what I'll be doing for 2026 to grow my hair as long and as healthy as possible. Because I always say having long hair does not matter if your hair is all jacked up. You know what I'm saying? The point, I think it's way better to have healthy hair than just long hair. When your hair is really long, your hair grows really fast. So, or your hair seems like it grows fast because your hair is not breaking off like people who have dry or unhealthy hair. So yeah, hope I explained it right. For the next 12 days, I'm doing a series called 12 Days of Hair, where we're gonna be talking about everything we are gonna do to grow healthy hair. And if you guys have not seen my videos about rice water is that one thing that just completely changed my hair to be silky and soft and grow and be thick. It healed all of my hair problems. And I sell rice water now. It's on my website. I have my own hair brand called Angel Hair by MaryJane.com. Do you guys know about Angel Hair? I don't know. We've got the best stuff. Our best sellers are our vanilla growth oil and our rice water, our blueberry vanilla rice water. So here's what you're gonna do if you want to grow amazing hair in 2026. Today we're talking about rice water. It is that magic thing that will transform your hair. It is for all hair types. And I've told you guys how I've been doing my rice water night leave-in routine. It's life-changing. What is a rice water leave-in? So rice water leave-in is where I soak my hair in rice water and go to sleep. 2 or 3 times a week, depending on how much your hair can take. But I do mine about 3 times a week. You will see your hair grow like weeds. We have our own rice water. You can get this on Angel Hair by MaryJane.com. This is our blueberry rice water. We've got vanilla bean, blueberry water, and green tea. So what I'm gonna do is just soak my hair in it, tie it up, and go to sleep because I'm preparing for bed right now. But I'm gonna show you guys first how to make rice water if you don't know how to make it, just in case you wanna make it yourself. I'll show you guys 90% of what we do because I'm not gonna give away the whole, secret concoction that took me years to come up with the perfect rice water concoction. Again, if you don't feel like making it, we can make it for you. You can get it down below. The link is rice water. The link is Angel Hair by MaryJane.com, and I have a 15% discount for you if you want to get it before the year ends. I can put a 15% discount in the description box, and here on the screen I'll give you a code to get 15% off your purchase. But yeah, rice water is that magic ingredient. Our rice water has a purple tint because we put blueberry water in it. Blueberries are amazing for preventing grays. Blueberry water is amazing for keeping your hair hydrated and renewing your scalp, reversing scalp dryness and all that other stuff. So that's why we add blueberry water to ours. So it does have a bit of a purple tint. And I want to remind you guys, if you get rice water, store it in a cool, dry place. Do not have your rice water sitting anywhere hot because it can get a tangy scent. It doesn't smell great if you keep it in a, in a you need to keep it in a cool, dry place is what I'm saying. So I'm about to do my rice water treatment, and I'll first show you guys how to make rice water in case you wanted to make it yourself. And then I'll show you what I do as my little nighttime routine for my little rice water treatment that'll have your hair growing like crazy if you do this 2 or 3 times a week.
I actually went to Guilin, China, where rice water was discovered by the Yao tribe. These women have the longest hair in the world. It grows 7.5 feet long, and they're the ones who invented this rice water craze. So I'll show you how they taught me how to make it. So basically, you need Asian rice. You cannot do, I mean, you can do it with regular rice, but you need Asian rice, which is, I don't know, Asian white rice, long grain white Asian rice. So I put the rice I always put a strainer and a bowl together so that it's very easy for me to remove the rice. And I rinse the rice twice so that I get all the extra mess off. And then I let it sit and just integrate the water, maybe 2 hours. You want to make sure the rice looks solid in color, and you'll know that it sat long enough. And then you remove the rice and you take that water and you boil it. You don't need to boil it long, maybe 30 minutes. Bring it to a boil, and this is when you're going to add all your extras. The Yao women taught me what to add, different spices. You can add different teas. They put orange peel to help with the smell. I'm not going to tell you guys everything I put because, you know, that's my proprietary recipe, but then it's done.
I cut 8 inches off, and I know how fast my hair grows. My hair grows really fast. So, I know that my hair will grow back within 4 months. It'll be 4 months to get my hair back where it was, but it'll be even healthier. You know what I'm saying? So I have like a little curly bob, you know what I'm saying? But I'll show you how I do my, we'll talk about the rice water treatment. Okay, so if you're gonna do this, you can also do it in the shower so that it's less messy. But basically, I'm literally going to soak my hair. I don't even know how long my hair is. I think it's like right here. I'm not sure. Like when you pull the pieces down, I think my hair is like right here. But anyways, we did a little cut, so woo, that one is really fermented. Oh my gosh, this one is tangy. Sometimes I just take the cap off because I'm about to pour so much. Wait. Ooh, okay. I literally soak my hair. The only reason I'm not spraying it is because I don't have time for that. I get too impatient. I just want to pour it, you know what I'm saying? I just want to pour it. Just gonna soak. Make sure when you're soaking your hair with rice water, make sure you are getting your scalp. That is where the rice water is gonna go and heal your scalp. It can reverse dandruff. It can prevent grays. If you're consistent, it can reverse graying. You want to make sure your ends are nice and soaked as well. So you're gonna get your ends. We're just gonna make sure literally our whole head is soaked. Again, doing this in the shower would be a lot less messy and a better idea, but I'm not doing that for the video. So rice water will basically promote shine. It will create a really healthy environment for your hair to flourish on your scalp. That's why I say do not forget your scalp. Really get it on your scalp. It will stimulate hair growth. It will prevent early graying. It can reverse oxidative stress. It'll make your hair so buttery soft. I'm gonna refill that bottle. Again, we have this on our website, angelhairbymaryjane.com. took me years to come up with the perfect recipe. So yeah, I think it'll take 4 months for those 8 inches to grow back, because I've measured how fast my hair grows. My hair grows about almost 2 inches every month. So not a full 2 inches, but almost 2 inches. So it'll be like 4.5 months for me to grow back the 8 inches I cut off, but my hair will look way better because it will be hydrated. It'll be really, really healthy hair that is growing back. So see this little curly Q? So yeah, this is what I call my rice water nighttime leave-in treatment. Keep this in mind, rice water does not smell the greatest. And it's actually a good thing when it doesn't smell great. But if you can't handle the smell, just make sure you're storing your rice water in the fridge, you know? It'll prevent the stink. It really does, like, it can really get a tangy smell. The thing is, that smell is good. It means it's really fermented. It means it's really gonna go to work. But some people, you know, it's just hard to tolerate the smell. So anyways, I'm gonna do my last little, I'm just too impatient to spray my hair, so. And I have a lot of hair, so sometimes I just pour it directly on. This is our rice water from Angel Hair. Okay, here's what I do. You're gonna do this 3 times a week, okay? You're gonna see your hair grow like crazy. So my hair is pretty much soaked in the rice water, okay? So I'm just going to very lightly, I don't want to tug on my hair too hard. Very lightly put the hair up like so, and then you're gonna go to sleep. These are our bonnets. You can get this bonnet on Angel Hair. A silk bonnet or satin bonnet is so important so you don't mess up your hair. This also locks in the product. These are available on Angel Hair. Boom. Put your little bonnet on and go to sleep. You're gonna do this 2 or 3 times a week. You're gonna see your hair grow like weeds. Rice water is amazing for all hair types. Whether you have straight hair or kinky hair, it targets your scalp. It goes into your hair shaft and rebuilds your hair. You will see your hair transform. Start doing this 3 times a week. Go to sleep, wake up, and wash it out in the morning. For some of you guys, you will only need to keep it in for 2 or 3 hours. See how your hair likes it. I would say start with putting, if you have never used rice water, I would say start with putting the rice water in for 2 or 3 hours. Do this and then wash it out as regular. Shampoo, condition like you regularly do. For me, my hair's so used to rice water, I leave it in overnight. So do the Yao women. When I went to the Yao women in Guilin, when they taught me how to make rice water, they also do the overnight treatment. They will leave the rice water in, go to sleep, wake up, wash it out. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to bed when I wake up, wash my hair, condition, boom, boom, boom. Hair is gonna be so silky, so soft, and you're going to triple your hair growth, trust me. So yeah, if you don't wanna make it yourself, you can buy ours at angelhairbymaryjane.com. You can use rice water as your code for 15% off your order. Yeah, see you guys in 12 days of hair. For the next 12 days of the year, I'll be telling you all my hair secrets, how to grow really healthy, really thick, fast growing, shiny, gorgeous hair. See you guys in the next one.